Hey, what's up, YouTube? A quick announcement. Moving forward, we will have a number of courses in development concurrently. In other words, we will learn different things in parallel. The reason is that a number of people have spoken with me. They are very eager to learn the real programming stuff. But the first course that we are working on is only this one, HTML. And the next one is going to be CSS as planned. For those of you who know something about web or app development, you know that, strictly speaking, neither HTML or CSS is a programming language per se. HTML or hypertext markup language is only a markup language, as its name suggests. We basically put contents in the countless pairs of tags so that those contents can be rendered on your screen inside of the browser or on the screen of your smartphones or tablets. While CSS basically is a styling language. So when the CSS file is connected to a HTML file, a nice looking page or website can be built. So nowadays, all the good looking websites or the apps on your phone, the UI or the user interface are built mainly with HTML and CSS or related similar technologies. But all the functionalities, all the meaty part, all the important, so to speak, useful parts are done with a programming language. Here is JavaScript. JavaScript is heavily used for the front-end development, especially with the web apps or the mobile apps on your phone or in the browser. Almost all the functionalities are done with JavaScript or some variant of JavaScript. Say, for example, TypeScript. So if you're, take this for example, if you are making a reservation on Airbnb, or when you book an airline ticket on some websites, you fill up the form, you submit, and then all those information are fetched and carried over to another server with the help of JavaScript. After the information reaches the backend, it could be further processed with some other languages such as C#, Java, or nowadays even JavaScript, or maybe even Python, and then some of the data is stored in the database. For those of you who are waiting for the meaty part, the real programming part, and for those of you who are not very interested in UI building, instead, if you like to focus more on the functionality of the apps, here's the good news. We will launch JavaScript course and Python course and the database query language, it's called SQL course in the near future. I will work on them in parallel, and you will see a number of different playlists growing week by week at the same time. And for those of you who are who like to do UI building, we'll continue our HTML and the CSS courses as planned. So now everybody's happy. All right, see you next time. Peace.